In this video, I am going to review India's cheapest rimless eyeglasses, which I bought from imyeye.com at only rupees 269, which is less than $4 So price is very aggressive. So let's see how is the quality. So let's start unboxing. So here you can see how the box looks like, a pretty good box and colorful box. Here you can see there is also hologram or the seal is there. I have to cut the seal to open the box. Here you can see how the box looks like. Inside the box, one promotional leaflet of another online e-commerce store was also given. So I will give the direct link to this rimless frame page from the imyeye.com. Just click the link and you will reach directly to this page. There is lots of frames there and price will vary here, but I will select 1140 rupees frame. Here you can see you have to select 1140 frame, which is showing here. Don't worry, price will not be 1140, but you have to select any frame which is belong to 1140 rupees. You can also sort by price. So I have selected one frame. Here you can see which price is showing right now, 1140. So after this, here you can see this is the polycarbonate lens they will give and the frame is of metal. So you should use polycarbonate when you are selecting or buying any rimless eyeglasses. Just select the lenses and here you can see select the single vision lenses or computer glass, which is the first option, and then again here also select the frame which is showing rupees 1140. That is basically basic lenses. Yes, this is basic lenses, but price is at only 269, so you have to go for basic lenses. After that, just select the promo code and you will see monsoon one promo code is there. Just select the promo code and that's it. Your price will be decreased from 1140 to 269 rupees only. Now look at the product. The box color is dark blue or black. There is imyeye logo in the case, and the cleaning cloth no logo is there. It is a brown color. Average quality cleaning cloth they have given. So box is also pretty much average, but yes, not very bad, I must say, average quality. So you can use this box, so no problem at all. Now look at the eyeglasses. This looks very stylish, very cool, and weight is also very less. And here you can see the frame size is small. So here you can see the wideness or the height of the eyeglasses is very less. So yes, here you can see, and there is very surprising thing that I have selected the basic lens, but they have used the coating of anti-scratch. So that is pretty much surprising gift from imyeye, because I have not opted or I have not paid for the anti-scratch coating, but they have applied anti-scratch coating. So here you can see how the frame and the eyeglasses looks like. So in the temple, here you can see black temple with some blue stylish color is there in the temple. Here you can see, and they said that it is of metal, and the blue color or black color the temple is coated with the anti-skid rubber. So I must say very much premium quality you will feel when you take these eyeglasses in your hand. It looks very much premium and very lightweight. The bridge is of metal and the nose pin are also very soft. So here you can see how it looks like from the front. Caution is you have to use these eyeglasses very carefully, because there is no frame or no support for your frame or basically the eyeglasses. So now looks how it reflects the green light. So this is very surprising. As I said, they have used the anti-scratch coating which I have not paid to them. So that is pretty much thumbs up to imyeye.com. So that's it, how it physical overview. Now it's time to check in my face. So real uses, I will show you how it looks like when you take these eyeglasses in your face. Here you can see how it looks like. I must say this is a lightweight, and the color combination blue and black is very good, and it looks a very professional look. If you use eyeglasses every time in the day, then you might face some awkwardness because the lens height or the lens size is quite small. So you may choose a bigger size lens for this rimless eyeglasses. Another thing is that this is the best deal I can say, because in 269 rupees you will not get anywhere in online and as well as offline rimless eyeglasses. So that is pretty much thumbs up. So if you want to buy these rimless eyeglasses, I will give the Best Buy link in the description. Just click the link and you will be landed to the directly to the rimless eyeglasses page. And that's all in this video. If you have any question, query regarding these eyeglasses or imyi.com, you may ask me in the comment section. Remember, this video is not a sponsored video or paid video. I am making and I am giving the unbiased review of imyi.com and as well as their service and their product. So that's all in this video. See you soon in my next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay subscribed to Som Tips and hit the bell icon.